Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to set up Touch ID on your MacBook. So guys, if you want to add your fingerprint on your Mac, so keep watching this video until the end. So guys, first of all, like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates, and after that, tap on Apple logo top right corner. Here is and scroll down and click on system preferences or system setting, any kind of showing. In my case, showing system setting, click on it, and here is the interface. Scroll down, and here is you can see touch ID and passcode. Click on it, and here is fingerprint. So simply click on add fingerprint. When you click on it and enter your uh, iPhone passcode, sorry, MacBook passcode, and here is now add your finger. Here you can see appears on screen. Here is a fingerprint button, and here is simply, and similarly as your iPhone 6 and 7 or any Android phone, can see after a few seconds my finger has been added. You can see touch ID is ready. Simply tap on and done, and my fingerprint has been added successfully. You can uh, turn on your MacBook with your finger by this method. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.